Welcome to Cognitionary, where we decode the hidden patterns behind how humans think, behave, and make sense of the world. Commercial planes crisscross the planet every single day. They fly over oceans, deserts, war zones, and even the North Pole. But there's one massive part of Earth they almost completely avoid: Antarctica. Why does the largest continent on Earth look like a no-fly zone? At first glance, this seems strange. Flying over Antarctica would actually be shorter for some routes. So why don't airlines do it? Is it because of extreme cold? Lack of airports? Hidden regulations? The real answer is more practical and more unsettling, say, than most people realize. Reason 1: no emergency landing options. The biggest reason planes avoid Antarctica is safety. Commercial aircraft are required to always stay within a certain distance of an emergency landing airport. This rule exists for one reason: when something goes wrong, there must be somewhere to land. Antarctica has no commercial airports, no emergency runways suitable for large passenger jets, no nearby cities, no rescue infrastructure. If an engine fails, a medical emergency happens, or the cabin loses pressure. There is nowhere to go. Over most parts of the world, planes can divert within minutes. Over Antarctica, the nearest help could be thousands of kilometers away. Reason 2: extreme cold is a serious risk. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. At cruising altitude, planes already face temperatures around -50 degrees Celsius. Above Antarctica, temperatures can drop even lower. This creates real risks. Jet fuel can thicken. Hydraulic systems can fail. Batteries lose efficiency. Sensors can malfunction. Modern planes are advanced, but they are not designed to operate for long periods over such extreme cold with zero backup options. Cold alone isn't the problem. Cold plus isolation is. Reason 3: ETOPS rules, the rule most people don't know. There's a quiet aviation rule called ETOPS. It stands for Extended Range Twin-Engine Operational Performance Standards. In simple terms, planes are certified to fly only a certain number of minutes away from a safe airport on one engine. Even the most advanced aircraft have limits. Antarctica breaks those limits. Flying over it would violate safety margins required by international aviation authorities. Insurance companies also refuse to cover most commercial flights over the continent. No airline wants to take that risk, financially or legally. Reason 4: navigation and communication problems. Most modern navigation systems rely on satellites, ground-based stations, magnetic references. Antarctica complicates all three. Near the South Pole, magnetic compasses become unreliable. Satellite coverage is weaker, communication delays increase. In an emergency, pilots may not be able to communicate clearly or navigate precisely, something airlines will never accept for passenger flights. So, do any planes fly over Antarctica? Yes, but very rarely. Some: military aircraft research missions, special sightseeing flights that never land. These flights are heavily planned, highly restricted, equipped with additional safety systems. And even then, they avoid the deepest parts of the continent whenever possible. No regular commercial airline routes cross Antarctica. The deeper truth: Antarctica isn't avoided because it's forbidden. It's avoided because modern aviation depends on constant access to help. The continent is simply too remote, cold, empty, unforgiving. One small failure over Antarctica could quickly become unsurvivable. So airlines take the safer option, even if it means flying farther. In a world where planes fly non-stop for 15 hours and cross entire oceans, Antarctica remains one of the last places where nature still sets the rules. And it raises an interesting question. As aircraft technology improves, will Antarctica ever become part of regular air travel? Or will it always remain a blank space in the skies? Some places on Earth still remind us how fragile modern systems really are. Antarctica is one of them. If you enjoy understanding the ideas beneath the surface, you'll probably enjoy what we explore here. Feel free to like the video if it helped, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you want more calm explanations like this in the future.